Hunter Snowball 2-1 is off the boom. Bullseye 2869, weapon safe in the descent level 200. 1 is 12.0, door closed.
2 is 11.2, door closed.
Noble 2-1 established high, Noble Rome. Noble 2-1, Rome.
2.
Verify you're established 1-9.
Affirm, established low.
Noble 2-1 established high. Hunter's Noble 2-1. Do you have an estimated time on station for Noble 3-1? Noble 2-1 copies. If you could just advise when Noble 3-1 is approximately 150 miles out. Hunter's go for Noble 2-1. Noble 2-1 copies. And request for them to enter at 230 if that works for them.
Go for Noble 3-1. 3-1, copy all, and the climb to 220. Direct for Wink 33. Noble 3-1, push Pride 15.
Noble 2-1 established by Noble 210, Timber Suite, Noble 3132. Noble 2-1, buddy spec.
Noble 3-1's a radar contact, Wink 33, showing bra 06524. Noble 3-1. Yep.
Noble 2-1's in the descent flight level 2002, Noble 2-2, rejoin wedge, maintain 19 until visual.
And Noble 2-1, say your position.
Noble 2-1 is bullseye 07814, track west, 20,000.
2 Timber Sour on you.
1. Timber Sweet you. Noble 2-2, you can just keep the wheel going, press.
2's engaged.
Noble 2-1 ops check 1 is 11.3, door closed.
2 is 10.5, door closed.
Noble 2221 is your 10 o'clock, 4 miles, high.
Search.
I'm going to float across your nose.
1 pass.
1's engaged, 2 wedge.
2.
Noble 2-1 copies. I'm showing Timber Sweet, find sync, miles per second.
Switch north.
Noble 2-1 open.
3-1's offload to the cap.
3-1, Noble 2-1, 2 ship, established flight over 190.
3-1 copies. Hunter's Noble 3-1 is weapon safe, bullseye 193 for 21,000, established in the AP.
Go for Noble 2-1. Noble 2-1 is cleared RTB, will remain 19,000 until clear of the AP. Happy Thanksgiving. Noble 2-1, disregard. Noble 2-1, set 350.
Hunter's Wing 33. Yep, we'd like to go down to 220 when able. Alright, descend down to 220 this time, Wing 33.
3-1 for 3-2.
Go.
LVF UHF Boston 290.3 is our prep.
Hey, for a minute.
Okay.
And Noble 3-1 op check, 1's 11.3, door closed.
2's 11.9, door closed. Descending to the low block.
3-1's established high block, 2021.
2 established low 1790.
Noble 3-1, Noble 2-1 is clear of the AP. You have all AP altitudes. Roll them.
Copy y'all. Roll them. Have a safe flight up.
2's just Timber Sound on you.
1.
Timber Sweet.
1.
Point. There's like 200 seals sunbathing.
That's cool. Let me check it out.
Yeah, there's hundreds of them out here. On that like tip of that northeasternmost outlet island.
That like thermal mass out there is all seals.
Yep.
Yeah, there's a bunch of them by the lighthouse too.
Everywhere. 2's tank strike. 2's 7.0.
W1's gonna head off to the tanker. Hunter's Noble 3-1 is gonna be off to the tanker. Request a point out to Wing 33. Noble 3-1 established, back in the cap, out of lock.
Hunter's Noble 3-2's off to the tanker. 3-2's radar contact. 2's climbing at 21.5.
1
press.
1's engaged.
Noble 3-2 is reestablished in the cap. 2's reestablished low. 1. Noble 3-2's gadget then recycling. 2's gadget low.
1. Noble object 1's 8.6 feet.
2's 9.6 speeder.
And Noble, we'll start working the fuel top off soon in about 10 minutes. Number 1 will go first, and then once I get back to it, you'll go. Our Shaw Bingo 10.0. So once we top off, we'll carry the Shaw Bingo 10.0.
2.
Hunter Noble 2-1's off to the tanker. Noble 3-1. Noble 3-1's established back in the AP.
Noble 3-2's off to the tanker.
Yep.
radar contact. Into the climb. 1 press.
Bonds engaged.
Suppression AR. 2 suppression AR.
Sounds good.
Level 32 is reestablishing the cap. Low.
1. Obstrict 1's 11-1, door closed.
2 is 11.9, door closed.
Just go for Noble 3-1. 3-1, welcome.
We copy the same. And Wing 33, we got 7 contacts and 8 and 41.4K offloaded. You bet.
Bonds engaged. Clear to wedge. Go.
Go.
Noble 3-1, copy all. Happy Thanksgiving, thanks for the work.
Wing 33, happy Thanksgiving. 3rd year in a row here.
Hunter, it's Noble 3-1, we'll catch you next time. Noble, push ARX 11.
Okay, from Wing 33.